Welcome to Gardening with Daddy. I'm Daddy. Today, I'll be transplanting some beautiful sunflowers that I've grown in a pot into the front yard. I've already had a place picked out, and today I dug the hole and put the plants in. Also, I'll be planting a strong-willed pineberry bush in a row next to some others that I have there. Let's get to work and put our hands in this dirt. All right, let's take a look at it. Okay, so here's the hole that I already pre-dug, and here's the beautiful sunflowers. This one is just opening up for us. So I'm just going to turn this pot upside down in my hands and place it in the hole. Quite simple. I'm not going to brush the roots up or break them up, simply because, like I said, they're flowering and they're pretty delicate at this point in their life cycle. So I just put them down in the hole, put them down in the hole. And here we're just going to take the loose soil that I dug up from the hole, and we're just going to fill in the gaps right around the soil that's already there, and fill it in nice and tight. Really make it really snug down in there, simply because we didn't break the roots out, and we want them to feel, all the nutrients that's coming from this soil from outside as well, and let them spread out. These plants are actually going to get taller as they flower, and once they flower, the beautiful bright yellow. I got some chocolate sunflowers in there, and it's going to be a very, very beautiful tall plant when they flower and everything's said and done. This is me tamping it all the way down and making sure that they are secure. When it rains, it'll help push some of this dirt down, and also loosen up the roots with the water and everything like that. I really can't wait to see these sunflowers blossom. I'm really excited, and I've been anticipating this all summer. I say about another month, all of them should actually be coming up and coming to a head. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. Next, we're gonna have these pine berries. Now, these are some weird little plants. White strawberries, taste like pineapple. And I got 2 plants already in the ground. They've been in the ground for about a month, and they're pretty hardy. And I'm glad that they're taken to the position that I put them in. And this one plant is actually the survivor. It was in the pot with 2 other plants. It was 3 in total. And this one is the one that survived, and I'm going to put it in the ground and let it thrive next to its sister plants. And it's the same process. I already had the hole pre-dug, nothing too deep. I just want to make it comfortable, let the roots get associated with the soil, and packed in nice, just putting the soil around it and making sure that it's nice and secure and snugged in there. So when it rains, it won't get pushed over and have it all in the dirt. And just putting the extra soil around here, cleaning up my area. As a matter of fact, I absolutely adore days like this, hot summer days, that I can get out in this yard and really feel Mother Nature under my toes, under my tippy toes, and under my nails too. Get out here and see something grow, and sweat a little bit, play in the dirt. It makes you remember where you come from and where you're going back to someday. And here's my favorite time, feeding time. I'm just liberally watering all the work that I did today. And just water them. Just give them a lot of water. It's a hot day. They're going to need it all. So we watering sunflowers. We watering those pine berries that we put down. And we just feeding everything and everybody. Everybody getting wet. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.